We combine Chinese components to make new characters. Let me show you how one word combined with 3 radicals transforms into 3 characters. 枝 means a branch, and I'll combine 枝 with 3 Chinese radicals. They are 木 tree, 手 hand, and 女 female. 枝 also means a branch. It's the left 木 tree and the right 枝 branch. As a result, 枝 is a tree branch. 技 means a skill. It's the left 手 hand and the right 枝 branch. Performing skills may relate to hands. 妓 means a prostitute. It's the left 女 female and the right 枝 branch. Both male and female prostitutes are called 妓. I'll introduce you to more Chinese radicals and characters. If you find it informative, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.